If you're looking for simple ways to bring mindfulness into your everyday routine, you are in the right place. Today I'm sharing 9 amazing apps that can help with mindfulness, with habit tracking, and with meditation. Whether you are a beginner and just starting to meditate, or you're looking to deepen your practice, these apps can help. And don't worry, this video is not sponsored. It's just me sharing my honest opinions and experiences. My name's Larissa, and this is the Concussion Crew, where we share tips and tricks for making life a little bit easier. And today we are making meditation and mindfulness a little bit more accessible for everyone, from beginners to those looking to up their meditation game. If you're looking for information on the benefits of meditation, there's a ton of science behind it now. I've covered that in a previous episode, so I will link that here. We all know that meditation is good for us, and it has really helped me to feel better. I deal with stressful situations better. I am more equipped when I am having a bad brain day, and these apps have helped. I'm going to break it down into 3 sections. 3 free apps, 3 paid apps, and 3 apps that have nothing to do with meditation, but have actually helped me with my meditation practice. Let's start with 3 totally free meditation apps that offer high quality guided meditations without a paywall. Smiling Mind is an app that was designed by psychologists. It offers structured mindfulness programs for all ages, which is nice. If you like step-by-step guidance, this is an awesome option. If you struggle with stress or anxiety, app number 2 can be a game changer. It's called Breathwrk. Check the spelling on that because it's weird. Breathwrk guides you through breathing exercises that help to calm down your nervous system. It also helps to boost focus and improve sleep. The best part, the exercises are super short and super simple. 2 things that are really important to me. I would like to be able to reset quickly, and I don't want to hear a bunch of explanations about I would like it to be simple. Option number 3 offers one of the largest free meditation libraries out there. It's called Insight Timer, and you get thousands of guided meditations and sleep sounds, music, mindfulness talks, and these are all from experts in their field. If you'd like variety without a subscription, Insight Timer might be the one to try first. I actually hadn't heard of Insight Timer before I moved into my condo, and a number of my neighbors were raving about it, so I gave it a go. It is really easy to use, and I understand why they like it. Now, if you're looking for a more structured experience or a lot of bonus features, these 3 apps might be worth it. And like a lot of apps, they offer free trials, so you can test them out first. Calm is famous for soothing sleep stories, and the sleep stories are read by famous people, so recognizable voices. If you struggle with sleep, either falling asleep or staying asleep, or even if you just want to create a sleep routine, this one is worth checking out. It's the one that I continue to pay for. That being said, Calm goes on sale, and a few times a year you can get it at 50% off. So if you're thinking about it, maybe wait for the 50% off sale. I've also tried out Headspace, and I found it really great for beginners. It breaks meditation down into these bite-sized lessons, and they have these fun little animated explainers. I think that Headspace gives you a great way to build a daily practice without feeling overwhelmed. I've tried both Calm and Headspace, and if you're looking for more meditation focus, I would lean towards Headspace. I struggled more with sleep, and I am pretty good with meditation, and I like the free meditation resources that are out there. So for me, I've invested in Calm long term, but if I were swapping that and I wanted more in-depth hand-holding with my meditation, I would have stuck with Headspace. The third one is kind of different from the first two, which offer more guided meditations. Delio is a mood tracker and a micro journal. It can help you to find patterns in your emotions and in your habits over time. This can be super helpful for mindfulness and for self-awareness, but it's not necessarily a guided practice. So it offers a different option. Now, mindfulness is not just about meditation. So these 3 apps support my mindfulness in other ways. If you have an Alexa device, you can set up reminders for mindfulness breaks, use some of the skills that are built in. There are guided meditations in there and sleep stories within the skills. And you can even program routines like evening wind down mode. For me, that looks like dimming my lights, reminding me to turn off my devices and play classical music. Then at bedtime, she turns off my lights and off my music. Everything shuts down. So I better be in bed at that time. Spotify is not just about music. It has amazing mindfulness and meditation and sleep story podcasts. 2 of my favorites are First This, which offers guided 10-minute meditations, 10 minutes or less, nice, perfect time for me, and the 10% Happier podcast. I like to go back and re-listen to episodes of that. You can also find meditation playlists. You can find calming background music for when you're meditating. There are a lot of options for on-the-go mindfulness. Do you want to build a mindfulness habit? Or any habit, really? Habitify, I think I'm pronouncing that right, helps you to track your meditation or your journaling or your breath work. Right now I have it set up to track drinking water. They give you reminders, there are streaks. If you like goal setting and you like the visual rewards, the little hit of dopamine when you reach your goal, this is a great app. So I don't pay for this app. I only use the free that gives you, 3 or 4 habits to track, which I feel is enough for me. I don't need to try to change my whole routine all at once. I think that when I make small adjustments and change 1 or 2 things at a time, like tracking my water to make sure that I'm drinking my water earlier in the day so that I sleep better through the night because I don't have to get up and pee all the time, is the way to really solidify a change in my habits. Now, if you want to track a bunch of things, if you're not using it for changing habits, then I like Habitify and it's an inexpensive app, but just something to keep in mind. So there you have it, 9 amazing apps to help you try to bring a little bit more mindfulness into your life. Whether you're looking for guided meditations or habit tracking or just some simple reminders to help you along the way, there is a tool for everyone. If you have a favorite app that I did not mention, please drop it in the comments below so that we can inspire each other to make life a little bit easier. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you like, subscribe, do all the things that help us and help you here on YouTube. And remember that you are not alone trying to find ways to support your well-being.